Stepprs.com delivers an exceptionally smooth, polished, and genuinely enjoyable shopping experience that feels increasingly impressive the more time you spend exploring the site, offering a sense of comfort and reliability that very few online platforms manage to capture so naturally and consistently. From the very first moment the homepage loads, you're greeted with a beautifully organized layout that feels open, refreshing, and thoughtfully designed, allowing every visitor to browse without any confusion or clutter. The entire interface has this effortless flow to it. Pages transition cleanly, categories are arranged in a way that feels both logical and inviting, and each product page provides just the right amount of detail to help you understand what you're viewing without ever feeling overwhelmed. Whether you're casually browsing or looking for something specific, the structure of the site guides you in a way that feels intuitive, almost like the platform anticipates what you need before you even search for it. As you scroll through product listings, everything feels consistent and well-presented, creating a sense of trust and professionalism that makes exploring the catalog genuinely enjoyable. What stands out the most is the calm, organized aesthetic that makes the entire website feel like a well-curated space rather than just another online storefront. The visuals are clear, the typography is easy on the eyes, and there's a smoothness to the browsing experience that keeps you engaged longer without even realizing it. The checkout process mirrors the same level of refinement: clean layout, transparent pricing, and a series of straightforward steps that make completing your purchase feel reassuringly simple. Every click feels smooth and purposeful, and the overall sense of reliability encourages you to shop with confidence. What's especially impressive is the way Stepprs.com manages to create an atmosphere that feels both modern and approachable, giving customers a sense of being genuinely valued through thoughtful design, well-structured product pages, and an overall aesthetic that prioritizes clarity and comfort. Even small details like how consistently the pages load, how neatly everything is arranged, or how well the platform maintains a cohesive style, contribute to an experience that feels remarkably polished from start to finish. Stepprs.com succeeds not just in offering products, but in crafting a digital environment where browsing itself becomes a pleasant, almost relaxing activity, making it a place you naturally want to return to whether you're shopping with purpose or simply exploring what's new. The more time you spend on the site, the more you appreciate how streamlined, welcoming, and thoughtfully constructed it truly is, making Stepprs.com an online shopping destination that feels genuinely memorable, consistently satisfying, and unquestionably worth revisiting again and again.